Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new project. This is the modular wood house pack. So as you can see from the substance that there are 10 houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 houses. So they are wood house actually. So some of has veranda attached with them. Okay, or a balcony, what you gonna say, no problem. So as you can see, but they are modular pack. Okay, modular pack means like you can say here, these are the texture set actually. So if I off this one, and if I let's say the cable roof, okay, you can see the roof side is off. Okay, so this is the pack. Actually this is a complete asset for wood house. You can use it in your projects, in your games, like first person or RTS, whatever. You can go inside of the house, no problem. Some house has a functionality of inside, and you can tweak every I mean from door to wall or everything. You can adjust, no problem. You can adjust the modular pieces, you can adjust the meshes from the Unreal, no problem. Okay, so this is like 10 pack, 10 house pack. You can have if you need, you can manipulate another house according to your needs. You can make another house, you can make another adjustment to your project, to your house projects. So this is from the substance. I will continue it from the Unity, and then the Unreal. Okay, so this is the texture quality so far. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Kind of like 17 texture set, but 17 pieces you can attach, or you can modify to make the new one, or you can use this existing 10 pieces of the house, no problem. So this is from the substance. I will continue this one from the Unity and then the Unreal. So thank you very much. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you are enjoying this one, and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. So this is the second part from the Unity. As you can see, the wood house with the modular pack here. So in this part, this is you are seeing it from the Unity HDRP pipeline. So Unity HDRP pipeline actually. So as you can see here, this is you know, Wood House Modular Pack. So I have some parts here like this. Yeah, like this you can see. And this is with the simple plane. I just use a plane, and the packs are there. As you can see here, this is the simple part, this is simple part. Okay, okay, you can see here the simple objects. So this is the modular parts, and also the FPX, the actual FPX of this. And here is the, yeah, here is the map. Here is the modular materials. I mean, this is the materials. Okay, and here are the textures. All the textures are actually 4K. As you know me, that I used to do the 4K texture. So you can see here 4096 and uncompressed. So there has a mask map, and also the you know, the normal map, and also the diffuse map. And also you have some opacity map there. Okay, so as you can see here, all the maps are quite okay. And what else? Okay, I have the prefab of the house also. Prefab of the house here. Prefab of the house. Okay, so as you can see, we can drag and drop a house like this from the content-aware according to our needs. Yes, like a content-aware, we can drag and drop the house. Okay, so if I gonna maximize the view, you can see quite this kit bash. Actually, the components here, as you can see here, the wall, the veranda fence, and also the roof. So out of these components, I made these houses, and you can manipulate them. Like I said before, you can manipulate them. You can adjust them according to your needs actually. So as you can see, yes, you can obviously see from the inside, like this view. Okay, so yeah, yeah, like this view. So this is from the Unity, guys. And if I gonna see if I gonna have some, if I just do a word frame, a shaded word frame, you can see here that what's going on. Very simple geometry, very simple geometry, very simple uh, simple things there, as you can see with the word frame. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it's the shaded. Okay, so guys, this is from the Unity. That part 2 is completed. So part 3 is from the Unreal. So I hope you are enjoying this one. So everything, actually, what I say, that everything is separatable, like this one you can see, like this one. So just copy and paste like this one. Okay, everything is just made from this, like this one. Okay, so like this. Thank you, guys. I hope you are enjoying, and enjoy the second part of it, the modular house pack, my latest project. And I hope you are excited for the part 3. So I will begin the part 3 ASAP. Thank you very much for your support. Hello everyone, this is the third part and the last part of the modular wood house pack project. So this is like you are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So like you can have the parts, the modular parts, and the house. Okay, you can see here, you can see all the houses are there. Okay, so like you have here the FBX, and you have uh, the materials. Okay, the materials are there, and you have the textures. All the textures are like Unity, all the textures are 4K. And you have the house prefab packs, like house prefab. Okay, this one, the 10 houses here. So you can like drag and drop the house like this, like this. Okay, you can like this one. Okay, this one is behaving, the pivot is just like this, you can see, like this. You can see. Okay. Okay. So this is like you can drag and drop and use use the assets according to your needs. If I gonna from the maximize view, you can see here. So this is the modular parts. Okay, and here is the houses. Okay, the quality. So like Unity, you can also adjust here in Unreal. So like this is quite compact pack. You can use this out of this 10 pack. You can use this, or if you are not satisfied, then you can using these parts. You can make your own arrangement of the house. No problem. So this is from the Unity guy, Unreal. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will come again with a new project. So please support me, support my channel, and support my Facebook page. And if you need this asset, I have this in my asset store. I have all the links in my YouTube. And if you need this, you can directly message me. You can comment me that you need this asset. So this one is you can use it in either in RTS game, or either in a kind of like first person project also, no problem. Third person project also, no problem. So later I will decide to have a level design tutorial out of using this pack, actually, this modular pack. Later I will develop that one also. So please stay with me and keep supporting me, and keep sharing this channel to your loved ones and your friends, and your colleagues also, no problem. So thank you. If you need anything, if you need anything to know about this project, or anything about, just don't hesitate to contact with me. I am in a Facebook all time, and in a YouTube channel. So please contact with me, and subscribe my channel. So thank you very much.